𝐿𝐸 is an Italian cruise ship line, so I was really excited and looking forward to try the Italian night on board 𝐸∫ Come with me and I'll show you how exciting and how fantastic the night was.
We want you to perform.
One, two, three.
Yo conozco a papá de Anita aquí en Miami.
And right after this amazing dinner, we went to see an amazing show in the Louvre.
don't see? Yes, good. All right, just so you know, if you've just stumbled upon us, my name is Bella Bevan, and I'm your resident singer here at Le Cabaret Rouge. However, our beautiful host TK is having a well-deserved night off, and therefore I am your host as well tonight. But don't worry, I'm going to sing you some songs as well. And part of me being the host is that I can talk to you. Yes, I'm not a TV. I can see you just as you can see me. And if you don't know the rules of Le Cabaret Rouge, the rules are like a river flows surely to the sea, darling.